Despite years of efforts, you are not promoted. Despite years of hard work, you are still being underpaid and below average salary. Despite years of efforts and sacrifice, you are still not recognized or respected at your work. If these are some of the things which you are facing in your career today, let me tell you, you are definitely undergoing the mid-level crisis that millions of mid-level professionals are undergoing without being aware of it. And over the last 2 years, I have been fortunate and honored to train and transform more than 15,000 mid-career professionals like this who have actually learned the 3 secrets to negotiate their 3 times pay package and the growth in a shortest possible time. And that is precisely what I'm going to show you: the clarity, the strategy, and the execution path to achieve your 3x growth in this live masterclass. So if you believe that you deserve more, then click on the link below and join me in this live masterclass, and I'll see you and teach you how you can get your 3x growth faster. Thank you and God bless.